Hey, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I have another cast iron skillet recipe for you. We are going to be making this pumpkin pie in the cast iron skillet. So if you are using up all of your pie dishes this Thanksgiving and you still want to make that pumpkin pie and you don't have another pie dish that you can use, you can always use your cast iron skillet to bake a pie or make an apple crisp like I did in my last video. But today we are going to make this very yummy and very easy pumpkin pie. I want to mention that this video is in collaboration with a lot of other fun YouTubers, and we are all posting pumpkin videos. So check out the playlist in the description box below. So to begin, we're going to put 3/4 cup of granulated sugar in a small bowl, and then we're going to start adding in our spices. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to move over to my KitchenAid stand mixer, and I'm going to start by putting 2 whole eggs into the bowl of the stand mixer, and I'm going to turn it on low and get that started. Now I'm going to begin adding in my pureed pumpkin. I'm just using 1 can of pureed pumpkin. Make sure that it's just plain pumpkin. Do not get the pumpkin pie filling. Once you've added all of the pumpkin to the bowl, go ahead and put the sugar and spice mixture in and let that stir for a little bit. And then slowly begin adding in 1 can of evaporated milk. So I warmed my 10-inch Lodge cast iron skillet on the stove, and then I used butter to butter the dish. And now I'm going to press in a 10-inch unbaked pie crust. Once you get it shaped how you want it, go ahead and pour in the pumpkin pie filling. Now place your pumpkin pie into a 425-degree heated oven. Go ahead and bake it like that for 15 minutes and then bump the temperature back down to 350 degrees for another 40 minutes. And then you are done. You have a yummy pumpkin pie. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And also go check out the playlist with all of the other fun pumpkin videos. I'll talk to you later. Bye.